That's the barn doors.
What's this? This picture.
Oh, it must be a lamb or a sheep.
See,
Oh, you have a horse?
yeah.
Let her play with the let her play with the horse.
Mine.
SJ, let her have one of the animals. That's fine. You can let her have the little pig. Did you get an... Oh, you got a cow?
I want to wait. That's a horse.
That was a pig. Hey, there's another horse in your bedroom, remember? That was nice. You gave her a little tractor and some animals.
These are yours. These are yours.
You can put your cowboy hat on now. Asani, don't eat the cow.
Don't eat the pigs. They're animals. Animals.
Silly. Yeah, CB.
Look, I made these.
Wow. Oh no, your tractor fell over.
Sonny's.
Yours.
Sonny's too.
Yeah, Sonny's did too.
Mine fell over. Mine fell over.
SJ saved the day.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Save the day.
Thank you, thank you. You did it!